Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the strategy to create wealth through real estate investments and become a billionaire. Real estate investing can be a powerful way to build wealth over time, but it can also be intimidating if you're just getting started. So, I'm going to break it down step by step and give you some tips and strategies for success. The first step is to educate yourself. There are so many great resources out there for learning about real estate investing, like books, seminars, and networking groups. You want to make sure you have a solid understanding of the basics before you jump in. Next, you need to set your goals. What are you hoping to achieve through real estate investing? Are you looking for passive income, long-term appreciation, or something else? This will help you identify the types of properties and investment strategies that are best for you. Once you have a clear idea of your goals, you can start to develop a plan for achieving them. This should include your budget, investment criteria, and criteria for selecting properties. One of the most important steps in real estate investing is identifying potential properties. You want to look for properties that fit your investment criteria, like location, condition, and rental income potential. Do your research, run the numbers, and analyze the potential returns before you make an offer. Of course, financing is also a big part of real estate investing. You need to figure out how you're going to pay for your properties, whether it's through loans, lines of credit, or private investors. Getting pre-approved for financing is key, so you're ready to make an offer when you find the right property. Once you've found a property that meets your investment criteria, make an offer. Negotiate the price in terms of the purchase agreement, including closing costs and contingencies. Once your offer has been accepted, complete the necessary paperwork and close the deal. This includes transferring ownership of the property and securing financing. Once you've acquired a property, it's time to manage it effectively to maximize your returns. This means finding and screening tenants, maintaining the property, and handling any repairs or maintenance issues that arise. A well-managed property can generate significant returns over time. It's also important to monitor your investments regularly to ensure they're meeting your financial goals. You may need to adjust your investment strategy as you go, whether it's selling a property, refinancing, or holding onto it for the long term. Finally, you need to have an exit strategy in place for each investment. This means knowing when and how you plan to sell or exit the investment, so you can maximize your returns, achieve your financial goals, and create long-term wealth through real estate investing. So, there you have it, a step-by-step approach to creating wealth through real estate investments. Remember, real estate investing can be a powerful way to build wealth over time, but it takes time, effort, and careful planning. Stick to your goals and stay focused on the long term, and you can achieve success in the world of real estate investing and become a billionaire. With this, we conclude our today's video. Thanks for watching. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. We'll see you in the next video.